How to verify your OKX account. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today's video we will be guiding you on how we can verify our OKX account. So if you are also wondering on how you can do that, these are the process you may follow up and you should be able to verify your OKX account as well. So first of all, go ahead and launch your OKX account on your device, and once you have successfully launched your OKX on your device, you can simply head over and log into your account. So in order to complete the verification process, if you have not verified yourself, you can find this verify now option on the screen. Otherwise, if you can't find it here, you can go ahead and tap on the top left corner of your screen, a box with dots appearing. So you can just go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to this page. So under your profile, you will be finding an unverified section. You can just go ahead and tap on it and you will be led to this page. So under here, you're going to look out for the option called identity verification, which is unverified. You can just go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you need to complete this process. So you need your ID and selfie verification and your residential address in order to verify yourself. Continue with the process by tapping on verify now. And once you tap on it, on this section, you need to select your ID type and your country. So first of all, select up your country from where you belong. After that, select of your ID type that verifies that is you, like your passport or your citizenship, even your driver's license. After that is selected, tap on next. And once you've done that, you need to verify yourself by taking a photo of your personal document and then take a selfie. After that is done, tap on start and then your account will be verified just like that. So that is how you verify yourself on your OKX account successfully, which is super easy. Follow up the prompts and that is it. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.